iPhone 14 Pro Max combined with GoPro Hero 11. The combination of an iPhone 14 Pro Max and a GoPro Hero 11 would provide you with a powerful setup for capturing high-quality photos and videos from different perspectives. Here are some features and benefits of both devices. iPhone 14 Pro Max. 1. Camera quality. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is expected to have an advanced camera system with multiple lenses, offering exceptional image quality. It might include features like improved low-light performance, optical zoom, and enhanced image stabilization. 2. Computational photography. iPhones are known for their computational photography capabilities, leveraging powerful software algorithms to enhance images and videos. This can result in improved dynamic range, better colors, and enhanced details. 3. Versatility. The iPhone's compact size and versatility make it suitable for various shooting scenarios. You can easily switch between different camera modes, such as portrait mode, night mode, and video recording, offering flexibility in capturing different types of content. 4. Connectivity and sharing. With built-in Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity, you can quickly share your photos and videos to social media platforms or cloud services directly from the device. The iPhone also offers a wide range of editing apps and tools for further enhancing your content. GoPro Hero 11:1. Rugged design. The GoPro Hero 11 is built for action and adventure. It features a rugged and waterproof design, allowing you to capture footage in challenging environments or during water-based activities. 2. Wide-angle perspective. The GoPro cameras are known for their ultra-wide-angle lenses, which provide a unique perspective and capture more of the scene. This is especially useful for action shots, sports, and capturing immersive footage. 3. Stabilization. The GoPro Hero 11 is likely to have advanced image stabilization technology, ensuring smoother and more stable videos, even in dynamic situations. 4. Specialized features. GoPro cameras often come with specialized features like time-lapse, slow-motion recording, and support for different mounting options, including chest mounts, helmet mounts, and stabilizers. By combining the capabilities of the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the GoPro Hero 11, you can benefit from the iPhone's superior camera quality and computational photography features, while the GoPro adds ruggedness, wide-angle perspectives, and specialized features suitable for action-oriented activities. Product coordinates. Click here. https://s.lazada.co.th/s.jkmul?cc Product coordinates. Click here. https://s.lazada.co.th/s.jqcall?cc